All right, everyone, Mike here with the watch list video for Tuesday, November 11th. SPY, nice gap up and a very strong close. Maybe we're headed back to all-time highs with rumors or thoughts or maybe actual news that the government's going to open back up. You never can tell with this government, but we'll see, right? So what am I watching for tomorrow? You know what? Let me put this up real quick. I know we got a lot of new faces in chat, so if you're new in the chat, just pause this and read that. Kind of explains what we're all about. So, what are we watching tomorrow? Snapchat, SNAP, had the gap up on earnings, sold off, and now it's back above the 200-day, or right at it anyway, and above the high of the earnings day. So that one's interesting to me. LWLG, also interesting, kind of a flag here on the daily. You can kind of picture the line here and here. OGN, kind of an ugly daily, right? But you got this island down here and it's trying to break up into that gap on very strong volume. ASST is still going sideways after this gap up here. So that one goes on watch. BW, big breakout, and it's really extended, but I still want to watch it because it's so damn strong. DNUT, which is Krispy Kreme, also kind of had this pop and kind of flagging-ish. We'll see, flirting with the 200-day there. UAMY, I don't know. The rare earths I wanted to have on watch. I put this on watch earlier when it was stronger. It ended up going out at the high of the day, or I'm sorry, the low of the day. I'm going to kill that one. I'm going to take that off the list. Looked much better earlier. Kohl's, KSS, very interesting over this horizontal line here. SKYT, nice quiet breakout today. Big volume, could have a continuation day tomorrow. NUAI, it's been a really strong stock, and now you got 3 red days in a row sitting at the 20-day. I'm not in love with it, but I'm going to treat it as a bounce play. You guys in chat, you know how I play those, only with a proper intraday setup. Let me go to FUN, which had this nice pop back here, and it's been bleeding ever since. To me, there's obviously an ugly daily chart, right? But just could be a snapback bounce. It seems to be overdone now to the downside. BGS had the big pop 3 sessions ago, a couple days lower. Treating it as a bounce play. BBAI was on the gap. It is on the gap play watch list. They reported in after hours. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 641. So, after reporting, that one's interesting. And then CYCN closed at $1.80. And let me tell you where it's trading right now. Well, I don't love this one either. It's trading at 229. Still gapping up though. So yeah, I'll put it on the gap play list, and that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the pre-market, and we'll add some other gappers to this list as we find them in the pre-market. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.